Hello students, how are you all? You are all fine at your home? Okay, myself Jessie ma'am and I am your computer teacher. You are all like the computers? Yes, and you want to know about the computers? Yes, so let's see. Today we start our chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Computer. Okay, in the previous class, you see about different parts of computer, uses of computer. Okay, let us see some more about the computers. So in previous class, you already learn about the different parts of computer. That is keyboard, CPU, mouse, monitor, scanner, printer, speaker. Okay, now do you know the computer is also called as a system? What do you mean by computer system? A computer system defines as a machine that is used to generate information from the data. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम ऐसी सिस्टम है कि जिससे हम इंफॉर्मेशन बना सकते हैं, जनरेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस इंफॉर्मेशन एंड डेटा? लेट अस सी. Data are the raw facts or the figures. Okay, what do you mean by data? Data means raw fact or figures. And what do you mean by information? Information is the meaningful data. Okay, that means I have so many alphabets. So that is our data. Okay, that means raw facts and figures. And if I arrange these alphabets or the letters and make some words, that means here we get the information. That means we get the meaningful words. And that is called as the information. Okay, now you understand about the information and the data. Okay, so a computer system has different parts that together make it work. That means by using these parts, computer do their work. Okay, so which are these parts? Let us see. So a computer system has different parts that together make it work. That means by using these parts, computer able to do their work. So which are these parts? So these parts are hardware and second is software. You can play the games on computer. Yes or no? Yes. The game is an example of software. And things such as mouse, keyboard, monitor, joystick with which you can play the games are the examples of the hardware. Okay, let us see more detail about the hardware and the software. Okay, so you can draw the pictures using the mouse in the paint program. The paint program is an example of software and the mouse is an example of hardware. That means you can touch or feel the hardware parts, but you cannot touch the software part. You can only see or use that software part. Okay, remember that both the hardware and the software helps the computer to do the work. Without hardware, computer is not there, and without software, computer is not work. Okay, let us see about the computer hardware. Computer hardware refers the parts of computer system that you can touch and feel, such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, speakers, microphone, headphone. In other words, computer hardware refers to all the electronic and mechanical parts of a computer system. That means whatever the computer parts you can touch, it's called as a computer hardware. That means हम मॉनिटर को टच कर सकते हैं, कीबोर्ड को टच कर सकते हैं, माउस को टच कर सकते हैं, प्रिंटर. That means these are all parts we can touch, and this part is called as a computer hardware. Okay. Some commonly used hardware parts are monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, CPU box, speakers, microphone, headphones. These are the some examples of computer hardware. Pen drive, CD is also the parts of computer hardware. Know that some body parts like brain, heart, liver, lung that is inside your body. Like that, similarly, a computer also some hardware parts inside it. So these parts are present in the CPU box. Some of these are motherboard, microprocessor, that means CPU, hard disk, SMPS, and RAM. These are the some parts that is already inside the CPU box. Okay, let us see about the categories of the hardware. Hardware is the categories into three types of devices according to their function. These are हार्डवेयर जो है वो थ्री टाइप्स में डिवाइड किया गया है ओके अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डिवाइसेस फर्स्ट इज इनपुट डिवाइसेस second is processing devices and third one is the output devices. Let us see about first input devices. Input means to put inside the computer. The devices which are used to give the input to the computer are called as the input devices. That means whenever we want to give something inside the computers, that time we can use the input devices. So which are the examples of input devices? Keyboard, mouse, microphone and scanner. These are the some examples of input devices. Now next, processing devices. The device which is used to process the input data is called as a processing devices. That means whenever you give the data using input devices to the computer, so it is should be processed to get the information so that these processing devices helps the computer to make the information from the data. So, which is the example of processing device? CPU is the processing device that can process on the data to get the information. Okay. Next is output devices. The devices which are used to show the output of the processed data are called as the output devices. That means whenever data is processed and that data processed data we can see on that devices is called as a output devices. So which are the examples of output devices? Monitor, printer, headphone or the speakers. That means whatever the song in the computer we can listen by using the speaker, whatever we draw and whatever we type in that computer that we can see on the monitor screen. So these are the examples of the output devices. Okay students, so what we see today? We see about the computer system and which are the parts of the computer system, that is hardware and the software. Hardware is the part that we can touch and software is the part that we cannot touch. So we see here about the hardware parts. So we can see the some commonly used hardware parts, that is keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, speaker, headphones, okay, and some computer hardware parts that is present inside the CPU box, that is motherboard, hard disk, RAM, okay. We can also see the categories of the hardware, that means input devices, processing devices and output devices. Okay, got it? So that's all for today. Thank you.